Well, that's a good start. She's talking to me while I'm coming on. Listen, this is a channel called Rate My Travel. And what it's going to be about, without any exaggeration, is getting value for money. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go for a little trip to Greece. And I'm going to show you the costs of it all, because this is at the time of filming. What date are we on? 24?
29.
20 what? No,
What
today.
date we have today? 25.
25, okay, it's 25 of January 2025. And I'm going to show you the flights, the cars, the trip, obviously, the hotels there. Because in Britain, we pay a fortune. And so I'm going to give you some quick ones on the old computer there. Because this time of year, most days are drab and grey. And it's really nice to go, there. I've been a few times. And later on, when I come back, I have a channel called Motor... no, I don't. It's called Motor on Beep Beep. And I do celebrity graves. So I will be doing that as well. I've been off for a while because I've just flogged my house and they were cream crackered. So I am going to come back to that. But later in the year, I'm going to do hotels in Britain. But the theme that's always going to run through it all is value. Because what you really want is comfort, relaxation and value, don't you? So I'm going to introduce you to the voice in the distance. Wait, flick the camera, Alan.
Hello, hello.
Where are we going? To Greece? Whereabouts?
To Greece, we will go into Nafplion, the historical place.
Yeah.
After to Githion, land of gods.
Yeah.
Beautiful, amazing place.
Yeah.
After to Kalamata, another beautiful place.
Yeah.
After we will go into Nafpaktos, historical place too.
Oh, there you go.
And more places.
Yeah, that's good enough. That'll do. We don't want to drive you bonkers with it all, do we? But seriously, you do get fantastic value. You're going to see that. Excuse me. There will be no editing on these films, by the way. Not a lot. I prefer to just do it as it is. I'm going to quickly show you now. I'm in Whitby at the moment. I have a little cottage here, rent out. And it is basically, I think, my only home at the moment since I've sold my other one. But
it's amazing property.
It's nice. I've had it a lot of years. But look, this is the computer now. Let me spin you. Don't get dizzy. Ready? There we go. Right. So at the moment, if you want to get yourself a hire car, it is for a month, for 28 days. So if you go over 30, you start paying a premium. So maximum is 30 and then rebook. But look, these are the prices on the vehicles. You can see for economy car hire. So now this is your tip. Do not take their policy for extra damage, because that's where they charge you £5-7 a day. So obviously that's about what's a lot of money in a month, isn't it? So that will keep the price down to about 100 and, like you can see there, 100 to 150 automatic car if you want, and you're getting a very cheap deal. And what you do, she likes this bit, you purchase a policy which is called a waiver policy. Yeah.
Wave insurance. Wave insurance.
Waiver insurance.
Wave insurance.
Yeah. And that's not for waiving, it's to waiver their insurance, because it's I wouldn't say a con, but they charge you a lot, So skip that one, get your policy about £50, and that covers you for a year anywhere in Europe. So let's go back to the laptop. Here we go. So the car's cheap, the flights are, look, here we are. This is a one-way flight to Athens from Manchester. They're approximately 184 there, look. You're going to add 60 on for your bags.
Don't forget our flight, it's very cheap.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very cheap, look.
Was £60?
Yeah, it was 60 hours on next week. We're going on Wednesday. So you can see that's a bit high, that one, isn't it? But generally speaking, you can get one. Now I'm going to go straight over to hotels. Now this is where you really do see a difference compared to the UK. We're stopping in this one, so you'll see it in the flesh in a bit. But 4 nights, £180. It's about £45 a night. It's near where? What's the place called?
The first one.
Yeah.
Nafplion.
Historic. It's like Whitby with sun, basically.
Was the first capital in Greece.
Right.
In all the years.
Yeah, okay.
Before Athens.
Right, there you go. I say, I don't know all that. She's Greek, I don't know all that. But I've been, and It's got I mean, it's not a phenomenal place. This one we're not going posh, but if you look, it's 7 minutes from the town, and you've got a detached.
House.
Yeah. Nice house with a garden, yeah. But there is, when we looked into it, there was some slightly better ones actually. We were going to this one with a bit of luck. Look at this one here. 4 nights in February, £152. You've basically got a detached. Let me show you. Woohoo! Detached by the sea, by the way, with a swimming pool. It's sideways onto the sea. I'm going to show you. Can you imagine that in Whitby, what that would cost you, or in the UK? But look, you can see the sea's there, but if you have a little look, that's where the place is. Just really close, isn't it? Very nice. Yeah, nothing to say. Of course, all right. So you can see where you are really getting your big savings, aren't you? Hang on. Spin. I ain't been on YouTube for a while. Oh, God. So, yeah, I mean, the whole thing's cheap, the flights, the accommodation. And don't forget, it's going to be, it's cold in the evening, isn't it? But during the day, it's about 18 degrees at the moment. Yeah, but it gets down in the evening. So, because it's quiet, it's cheap. But you think that, if you were stopping in Whitby, this is a holiday cottage, and they cost 3 to 4 times the cost. And I've been doing it for a long time, so I know. I'll give you a little tour and show you.
The best location.
Yeah.
Very nice heating. You are not cold at all. Nice water, warm water. Central nice heating. Best location. You are in the town. All the shops are under your feet. What else do you need?
Yeah.
And a nice cottage.
Yeah. Under your feet, you walk over the top of them. she has a funny phrasing with it being Greek, but I can't speak Greek, so you can't knock people, can you, for that? So you'll see what the trip's going to be like. We're going to stop in different places, give you a little run, and don't forget later in the year I'm going to hit. I've got a motorhome. I'm basically retired now, so I'm going to hit these places and give you the value, and that's what we're after. So we'll see how it all goes, and if you enjoy it, don't forget, I'm going to tell you later, thumbs up, comments, I love comments, and subscribe to the channel. But before you go, don't go yet, because I'll give you the quick run of the cottage. Yeah, only a quick one. We haven't cleaned up, we haven't done nothing. It's just a little, it's official. It was built in 1840 by Reverend Adoc. Look, watch, here we go, you ready? Yo! So this is my place called Endeavour Cottage in Whitby. If you do want to stop, contact me and I'll do you a super cheap deal. But look, 2 bedrooms, double bedroom, twin bedroom. But what makes it really quite nice in this place is this. There we are. Look. Yeah, it's got a nice yard, look, you see. These are the old outhouses that used to have, they actually used to do jet and stuff in there at one time. So it's quiet, but this is flower gate outside. I'm going to show you now. Shh, totally quiet. So it's a nice yard, isn't it? You know, you get a little outhouse for your rubbish. But 1840 they built this cottage. It was Reverend Agon built 6. Well, he built 5 and then he's died, and his wife built the last one. Look, here we are. Shh. This is flower gate. Yeah, that's Whitby Abbey down there, can you see? In the distance, yeah? Okay. And that's Pennick Park up there. So you can see where we are. So I'm going to head back in now. But there you've got it. So if you like what you're going to get, tune in, go for the ride, and we'll give you the value for the money. So please, subscribe, ding the bell, and the comments. Go to my other one, Motorhome Beep Beep, if you like celebrity graves. That's where I do those. So see you all very soon. Take care, everyone. Enjoy this year. Come along with me if you want for the ride, and we'll show what we can get for our money. See you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye from me and from Raina. She's still in the cottage. See ya.